to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I will show you the cutting and stitching of Dori blouse. Width of neck would be 2.5 inches. Length of the neck would be 9 inches. Down here we will mark 2.5 inches for the width of the neck. Join both the figures with the help of chalk. Mark portion in the center and give designing to your neck. Here I am making curvy design. As you can see, 2.5 and 9 inches is the figure. Now we will cut it as per the design. My fabric is on the lining, so I am cutting the fabric with the lining area as well. Cut out the extra portion as well. Mark the equal 9 inches toward the downward and 12 inches for the chest area. While opening, it will be 24 inches. As you can see, the neck designing is done. Now place the fabric on the lining and stitch it. Gently stitch the fabric. Reverse the fabric this way and do stitching. Make sure that the fabric is not pulled up. Already made some flowers and petal with the extra fabric, and by keeping them here on the side of downward neck, I will design the neck very beautifully. This is how I am putting lace over there to decorate the neckline. You can use any other lace of your choice. Keep the lace on the edge and make sure that you stitch it nicely. Fold the fabric to the half of the center line and give a stitching line for 2 to 3 inches. From the other side as well. Now fold the fabric to inner side and stitch it. So this is the back side, and as you can see, I have already prepared the dori and the flowers at the edge of the dori. Place the dori on the neckline and stitch it. Secure the dori by stitching it for 2 to 3 times. So this is how our Dori blouse neck back designing is done. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.